I don't know if you guys know this, but you can start a Google Meeting, a Google Meet group with anyone at any time that you share a link with them. You can use your school email, I think, but I know you can use a personal one. And so just in case, I'm going to show you how to do it on both. I'll show you with a personal email first, as long as you've got a Gmail account. So this is my personal email, and it's not my school one. And when I open up these little apps, there's this option down here that says Meet. Click on it, hit Start a New Meeting, start an instant one if you want, and hit Join Now, right? And that'll be my meeting that I'm starting right this second. It says my camera failed only because I'm using it to record this video. Don't ever hit present. I don't know why anybody would hit present, but just hit join now, and then you can send this little link to someone. So let me hit join now. But you can copy this joining info and send it to them by text or email or social media, whatever you want to do to send it to someone, Instagram, whatever, Snapchat, whatever it is. Or you can specifically add people. But the people that you add here can join your meeting. It says right here, people you add can join your meeting without asking permission. Others who use this joining information have to ask your permission. So they'll ask to get in, and then you'll have to let them in, whoever starts the meeting. So it's easy peasy. And you could start study groups together, working on your projects or your homework or whatever you want to do. You can work together on this stuff. I learned how to do study groups in college, like halfway through my freshman year, or actually after my freshman year, and it made it way easier once I learned how to do that. So study groups are helpful, especially during this insane season. And here's one way to do it using Google Meet. I'm not sure how your student school accounts work and if you can start one on your own or not. My guess is that you can. So I'll show you how to do that from your school account too, just in case. So Google Apps, when you're open a new tab in Chrome, Google Apps, and you go to Meet, and you can hit join or start a meeting, and it says enter the meeting code or nickname. But to start your own meeting, enter a nickname or leave it blank. So that's up to you. If you're gonna, I think you can start one with a nickname and send it to a friend. And if you don't want to use a nickname, you just leave it blank, hit continue. So I'm starting a meeting. It's going to say my camera doesn't work again because I'm using it to record. And then you hit, this is how you would send the information to people. You would copy and paste that, and then send it to people, and then hit join. And it's, as long as I don't know if your school student email accounts will let you start one. If not, you can always use a personal one, but it's the same idea. And it should be pretty easy to do. So start a study group, get some work done, be awesome together. You rock.